Help me help you.
Hello guys, welcome to JoyZoneTech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can turn Termux into anonymous chat app. Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button and press the notification bell to never miss the videos. First open the Termux app and update the required packages by typing the command pkg update and pkg upgrade. After updation, now we are going to install irssi, which is an anonymous chat package present in Termux. Type the following command to install irssi. Pkg install irssi. Type the command irssi to start the irssi chat. Type /help to get all the commands. Now type the command /connect freenode to connect to the irssi server. To create a username, type the command /nick and type your name. This is my username. In order to show you how another person will see the chats in irssi, I will create another session and join the same channel. To create or join a channel, just type the command /join # your channel name. As you can see, I have joined the channel. It will show you the members which are connected to the channel. The messages will displayed like this. If you want to change the color of the text, press the Control key, C key, and number key with your message, and it will change the color. You can replace the numbers to change the colors like this. To exit the irssi, type the command /exit. You can visit my blog by typing JoyZoneTech blog in your browser and scroll all the tutorial posts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.